Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we will try to understand micro instruction format for control memory. And in this video, we'll try to understand the vertical micro instruction. So the difference between horizontal micro instruction and vertical micro instruction has already been covered in our previous videos. If you haven't watched those videos, please watch those videos and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire course so that you can have better understanding of the concepts. Now coming to this class, we will try to see the format for vertical, so micro instruction format we will try to understand. So we have discussed about this concept. So there we have said that all the micro operations that are there to execute the instructions of our computer. So for example, in our previous video we have seen that we have seen the computer configuration. There we have said that our computer is capable of executing 16 instructions. In order to execute those 16 instructions, every instruction uses any of these 21 micro instructions. So these are micro instructions. So and there are 21 micro instructions, and all these 21 micro instructions are grouped. So they are grouped into 3 groups, and every group consists of 8 micro instructions. First micro instruction is 000. So what this 000 that we will try to understand, and these are the 7 micro instructions of this group, and these are the 7 micro operations of this group, and these are the 7 micro operations of this group. So these are the 3 groups, and each group is having 7 micro operations. Each group is having 7 micro operations, and every group is provided with 000 and it is provided with none. So why it is provided with none, that we will try to understand in this class. So the group is F1, F2. The groups are F1, F2, F3. So these are the groups, and the other bits of the instruction are, these are the status bits. So one is condition, and the other one is BR. So condition is used for condition for branching, and the other one is branch field. So condition CD and BR are the status bits, and the other field is address field. Address field means this is the address of the control memory, where that particular this is the address of the control memory where the instruction has to jump to execute the next instruction. So about these 3 fields we will try to understand in our later videos. In this video we will try to understand about F1, F2, F3, how these groups are formed, how the grouping of the micro operations has been done. So that is very important to understand. So how this grouping is done is, if you take any 2 instructions of this of a group, for example, if we take these 2 instructions, let's try to understand what's happening with those 2 micro operations. So what's happening with those micro operations is, in the first micro operations, what it states is, we are trying to add the value of accumulator with data register, and the value that we are going to obtain is getting stored in the accumulator itself. And if you take the next instruction, micro operation, it is the value of the accumulator has to be made 0. If we try to use both these micro operations in single micro instruction, so they are getting conflicted. See here. So what we are saying, the value of the accumulator should be added with the data register, and it has to be stored onto the accumulator. And this operation is filling the accumulator value with 0. With that, what happening? The accumulator value is getting added and it is getting stored, and simultaneously the value of the accumulator is becoming 0. So both these instructions are getting conflicted. So that is the reason why. So all such kind of micro operations are grouped into one single group. See here. So we should not use any two of these micro operations in one single micro instruction execution. So those kind of micro operations are grouped. Okay, you take this also. So you take any two micro operations in this group, they are also designed in that way. So they will get conflicted. So both those micro operations will get conflicted, and with that we are going to get some erroneous results. So such kind of micro operations are grouped or are made into one single group. Okay, so that is how the grouping is done, and how to access a particular micro operation of the particular group, that we have already discussed. So here we are having 3 bits and 3 bits for each and every group. So so by giving the micro operation code, for example, if you want to access this fourth code, if we want to access, so what that fourth code states is data register value has to be transferred onto accumulator. So F1 has to be provided with 100, and this 100 is forwarded to the decoder, 3x8 decoder. So this concept we have already covered. So which is having 8 outputs, and out of that this 1001 output will get activated, and signal 1 is generated here, and remaining all the outputs are generated with zeros, and this signal 1 is forwarded. This signal 1 is transferred to the accumulator and also to the data register, so that the value of the data register will pass on to the accumulator. Load operation will get load input value will get activated. With that, the value will get stored onto the accumulator. The data register value will get stored onto the accumulator. So what this 000, in every group we are having 000. What that 000 is, for example, if you take any micro instruction, in that micro instruction we would like to execute only this operation from this group and this operation from this group, and we don't want to execute any of these operations on this group. So the micro instruction is designed in such a way so that only this operation has to be executed and this operation has to be executed. So none of the other operations has to be executed from this group. So in that case, if none of the operation has to be executed in this in any group, then 000 has to be provided, which means that no operation has to be done from this group. So what happens is, for example, if F1 is provided with 000, which means none of the operation has to be done. So this 0 is made 1. So 0th output is made 1, but it is not connected to any of the resistors or any of the components of the computer. But F2 and F3 are provided. What the F2 and F3 are provided? F2 is provided with 100 and this F1 is provided with 000. F2 is provided with 100 and this F3 is provided with 101. Okay, so this is one micro instruction in which the control word is provided. The control word with 3 groups is provided. The first group is provided with 000, second group is provided with 100, and the third group is provided with 101. With 100, this micro instruction will get executed, this micro operation will get executed. With 111, this micro operation will get executed. So this is how, this is the format for micro instruction. The concepts of CD, BR and AD we will try to understand in our later class. In our next class we will try to understand about these status bits. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. And if you feel that this video is helpful to you, please give us a like symbol and please share this video with your friends so that they will also get benefited. Thanks for watching.